Welcome to Bing Bing Coffee. Today we're gonna talking about 10 ways to restore trust in your relationship. Trust is fundamental to any healthy relationship. In fact, the lack of trust can lead to the dissolution of a relationship. However, without trust, there will be no future together and no future with anyone else. This is why it's important that you know how to rebuild trust in your relationship if you are not experiencing it at the moment. In this article, I outline 10 things that can help restore trust in any romantic relationships. Be dedicated, show interest in your partner's interests, and beware shyness tendencies. Number 1. Be dedicated. Relationships require time and dedication for the two partners to become one. When you dedicate yourself, you will be showing your partner that you care about how their day was and what they need to do. You will be showing them that you are willing to compromise on the little things in order to build up a strong foundation of trust. Number 2. Avoid shyness. Don't be shy when it comes to showing interest in your partner. The best thing you can do is to show them that you are interested in being with them and that you enjoy being around them. The more you are willing to put yourself out there, the more likely your partner will feel important and special. If you want to maintain trust, however, try not to act too strongly on one day so that they would never know if you were interested or not. Number 3. Watch what you say. Your partner may think that you are showing no interest in them or worse, interested in someone else. Show your interest by listening to them and being excited about their day. If you don't have anything good to say, then don't say anything at all. Give your time and attention to them without any hesitation. Number 4. Remember your anniversary and birthdays. Getting someone a gift does not have to be about showing how much your money is worth. It means a lot to your partner if you remember the day they were born or the day that you were born and the important date of your anniversary. Your commitment will speak louder than any money can buy, and it will go deeper into their hearts. Be playful with gift cards or something more personal from your local store. Number 5. Be patient and see the bigger picture. It's easy to get frustrated in any relationship. With trust, you can't react too strongly or act with any suspicious outside forces. It's important that you try to get what you need from your partner and be flexible about the process of how they give it to you. Try not to give up, but be patient with them. It will happen when the timing is right and not a moment sooner. It's a matter of seeing the bigger picture together. Number 6. Don't put yourself down. This falls under the category of not putting yourself down. It is only through your actions that you sacrifice yourself and your own interests to help someone else. You need to be open and accepting of what your partner feels and believes in order to truly understand them better. This doesn't mean you should indulge them, but encourage them to follow their dreams. Remember that two wrongs don't make a right, and that showing acceptance means more than placing judgment on them or their choices. Number 7. Be available for them at the right times. You can't be available for your partner when you're at work for 8 hours a day and then not available for them. If you are working on something that won't take long, then you can make time for them. If your partner feels that they have to fight with you to see you or get any attention, then they will eventually give up. It's better to show up late with a good excuse than not show up at all. The time will come when both of you will be able to be together without the stress of being apart or being busy. Number 8. Let them know that you need them. Don't ever take your partner for granted. Your relationship is a gift that you give to each other, and it's not just there to keep you warm at night. If you take your partner for granted, then they will do the same. Show your appreciation by doing things with them that you wouldn't normally do, or at least not as often. It shows them that they are important and their opinions matter to you. Number 9. Don't be jealous. Your partner doesn't always have to be in love with you. If you are getting jealous, and it's not about their relationship with someone else, then there is a problem. Don't give them any reason to feel like their needs don't matter or that they aren't important to you. Your jealousy will only make them feel unwanted, and they may even decide that they would rather be doing things on their own than being around someone who is jealous all the time. You need to be able to trust your partner and rely on them for support when you need it most. Number 10. Be humble. You need to be humble enough to realize that you can be wrong from time to time. Don't place all the responsibility on your partner and act like you are always right. Your partner can help you when it comes to making decisions regarding your relationship, but it's up to them if they choose to follow your decisions or not. You will only create trust issues in your relationship when you try to shake things up by doing things that are not right for them. Instead, try being more accommodating of their needs and desires, as well as of yours. Finally, these tips will help you build your true trust in a relationship, and along the way you will witness the growth of your partner. Remember that communication is what it's all about, and once there is a sufficient amount of communication between two people, no one will have to worry about losing trust anymore. Thank you for your time with this post. Please share this podcast with your friends, and we'd love to hear that you'll be here next time.